Waking up with a face that feels like it was inflated with a bicycle pump is a frustrating way to start any day. You look in the mirror and see that heavy, dull puffiness around your eyes and jaw that just will not quit. This brings us to the massive wave of hype surrounding the Recuvia Face Brush. It has been taking over every social media feed lately. This is not just another exfoliating tool meant to scratch your skin. It is built on a very specific type of science involving your lymphatic system. Think of your face like a complex map of tiny hidden rivers. When those rivers get backed up, you get that puffy, swollen look. This tool uses incredibly dense, ultra-soft bristles made from a specialized synthetic fiber. These bristles are non-porous. That is a huge deal because it means they do not harbor nasty bacteria or mold over time. Instead of the rough friction you get from a standard scrub brush, this feels more like a gentle, rhythmic massage. It operates on a specific principle of fluid mobilization. You are essentially coaching the stagnant fluid under your skin to move along toward your lymph nodes. But here is the catch that most people miss in those 30-second viral video clips. You have to follow a very strict protocol. Most people start at their forehead and work down. That is a huge mistake. You actually have to start at your neck to clear the path. The experts call this opening the gates. You need to clear out the drainage pathways at the base first. If you do not clear the neck, the fluid from your face has nowhere to go. It is like trying to flush a toilet when the pipes are blocked further down the line. When people do this correctly, the results are actually visible. The depuffing effect is real and fast. You can see a sharper jawline and less congestion almost immediately. However, we have to address the elephant in the room. The marketing for this thing is getting out of control. Many of those mind-blowing transformations you see online are being boosted by digital filters or clever editing. A brush cannot change the physical structure of your jaw or give you a surgical lift. It is a tool for managing temporary swelling. It is not a magic wand for permanent bone changes. Beyond the results, the logistics are a bit of a nightmare right now. These brushes are constantly on backorder. You might pay for it today and not see it for a month. To make matters worse, many retailers are listing these as final sale items. If you find the sensation of the bristles annoying, or if it does not fit your routine, you are likely stuck with it. There is no easy way to get your money back. It is a premium tool for people who take their morning routine seriously. It is effective for what it is. It helps move that morning fluid and makes you look more awake. Just keep your expectations in check. Do not let the digital filters trick you into thinking this is a replacement for actual medical procedures. It is a high-tech way to give your face a little nudge in the right direction every morning. If you are patient with the shipping and diligent with the technique, it is a fantastic addition to a skincare kit. Just do not expect it to perform miracles while you sleep. Use it for the gentle drainage it provides and enjoy the ritual of it. It is a solid piece of technology for maintenance, not a total life overhaul.